Hi, I'm Pranshu and I joined data science course at INSOFE 6 months back. The reason I joined this course is to convert a position of weakness, which was model building, which I did not, into a position of strength so that I can build my own data science algorithms and to automate work at workplace using data science. One of the reasons that was one of the reasons why I joined this course. But once I joined this course, I realized that the detail in which the INSOFE instructors have gone in and explained the concepts, right from statistics to coding to advanced data science algorithms, I was pretty impressed with the content, with how much has been optimized and how it was delivered, specifically in terms of two aspects. One thing is it helped me revise all my previous statistics and engineering concepts. So it was very good to revisit those concepts. INSOFE gave me a fantastic opportunity to do that with trained experts, PhDs, and with very world-class faculty, very capable world-class faculty. Just for an example, one of the things that I work in a teleradiology company. So here we have CT scans are better than polymerase chain reaction tests because they give much better false. The number of false positives that come in from a PCR test is much higher than compared to say a test which is done through a chest CT. So understanding concepts like this was through what we learned through Professor Anuradha. It helped me have these on my fingertips and immediately understand the world around me in a better way. Apart from this, one other aspect that I really was impressed once I did the course was the practical lab sessions. So we all learn by doing, and when I practiced every session that we had in INSOFE was second half we were put in a lab session. So while I was practicing coding and while I was using these concepts, I became from a very basic level, I went to a very advanced level in this area, and that's something that was honestly a very good surprise. So what I would suggest is to everyone out there who have not who are trying to make a career in data science, or anybody who's trying to understand the world around them in a better way, how to apply it, how data science will affect their job, how it will affect their lives, I would advise them to do this course. And I would say that it's a one-year course which has actually been condensed, optimized, and streamlined to be delivered in weekends over a period of 6 months. The sooner you do it, the better it is, because the more time you take to get on this data bandwagon, the more you will be considered as irrelevant in the future. Thank you.